Hey guys, my name's welcome back. And in this video, we're talking music. Let's get started. Recently, I was approached by Ecrett Music, a company that creates music specially for content creators that you can edit to your heart's desire. It's perfect for any video, from travel to food, B-roll and drone shots. It's easy to use and I find it so useful when trying to find music. I don't know if you know, but YouTube currently has a free audio library for creators to use, along with a list of sound effects. I, however, find none of the music is what I'm looking for, plus I can't really change anything about it. Ecrett Music, however, lets you generate and create music by choosing 3 different options. Scene, such as travel, like my Venice video. This is actually where I got the music for that. Mood, happy, sad, dark, chill, etc. Genre, hip-hop, acoustic, etc. From there, it will generate your music in seconds. Once you have your music, you can set the length of time you need the music to last and hit play. I'm going to set it at a minute. You can see laid out here, while it plays through, you have different instruments of the music on the left, which is all color coded. This is so you can add or remove different beats of the music, making it totally customizable to your choice. Totally. Now, Ecrett Music generates the music using an AI system. So this basically means each time the music you choose will be different, even if you select the same 3 options. See, what's so simple and beautiful about this website is that you can either save the music in your favorites panel here by clicking on this button, or go to history and it has a list of the music you've listened to. It also has a list of the music you've already downloaded. This feature is a lifesaver, as I'm not the most organized person out there. While we're in this section, you can also load the video you want the music for and hit play to see if the music works well with the video. Now, what Ecrett Music has done for us is give us a promo code. This means using the code OMCARDIFF, so OMMCARDIFF should be on the screen, all in lowercase, can get you 1 month cashback. They have membership plans both monthly and annually, so it's worth having a look, even if you just want to have a play around. Back to the music. Once you're happy with the music, you can hit the download button here. It will do one of 2 things. 1, download your music straight onto your computer, and 2, email you a copy. And guess what? It really is that simple, and that's all you need to do to get customizable music. Thanks for coming back, guys. I know this was like a bonus video this week. I hope you like it. If you did, hit the thumbs up. Thanks Ecrett Music for sponsoring this video, my first sponsored video. As always, hit the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll see you next week. Oh, I forgot to mention, you can use this both on your computer and your mobile phone.